My lovely Africans, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Every like, every comment, every share, it means more than you can imagine. You are not just supporting a channel. You are part of a movement to reclaim our ancestral knowledge and to remind the world who Africans truly are. Together we are awakening the spirit of unity that once guided our ancestors, from the kingdoms of Kush and Mali to the vision of Lumumba, Nkrumah, and Sankara. So, I say thank you, not just for watching, but for believing. Stay with me on this journey, and let's keep spreading the light of our history, our pride, and our power. Always remember, as Africans, we are the genesis of everything on Earth. Let us reconnect back to our roots, our identity. Don't forget to subscribe and invite someone else to join our growing family, because the awakening of Africa begins with you. One African, one people.